So in this recording we're just going to add a bass track to our song, and it's quite a simple bass track. So the first thing that we're going to do is add a new track. So we've added our drums, so let's add a new one below it, and we're going to use an instrument that's on GarageBand. So we're not going to record our own instrument, we're going to use samples that are on the piece of software. So I'm just going to double click on the piano there. It's not a piano that I want to add. I want to add some cello strings. So with this track selected, I'm just going to go over here to the software instruments and select strings and then orchestral strings. So now you can see that the icons changed to strings. So I'm going to add some cellos, and I'm going to do that by pressing Command and K at the same time, and you can see it brings up a keyboard. So I can play the keyboard using the mouse here, but I find that quite difficult, so I'm going to press this button here, so I can now use just the keyboard on my laptop, and that will make the sounds of the piano keys. Okay, so I'm just going to find my tune here. Okay, so that's the bass line that I'm going to have in my song. So all I need to do now is press record and play it in time. So I'm going to leave some drum track at the beginning just so I can get in time with the beat, and then I'll start playing the song. Okay, now I'm going to press stop, and if I get this out of the way, you can see what actually happened was it didn't start recording my tune until I pressed the first button, and then when I pressed the last button, that's when it stopped. So it kind of got rid of the bits that I didn't need straight away. So let's just bring this to the beginning of our track, rewind to the start, and see how that sounds. Okay, that sounds quite good. Some of those notes may be slightly out of time, so what I can do is, if I double click on the recording that I just made, it brings up this notage at the bottom here. If I want, I can have a look at it as a score, but in the piano roll I can quantize the note timing, so I'm just going to go into here and go on to 16ths. And what that does, it automatically moves these notes to the closest 16th beat. So hopefully that will have moved them all in time. So if I go back to the beginning again and play it. Okay, that's quite good. I'm not sure about this last one here, whether that's quite on. I think it was a little bit early, so what we might do is just drag that after the timing and just have another listen. Yep, that's better. And again, we'll just double check that last one here. Yep, that one's on time with the beat. So we've added our bass track to our song. In the next one, we're going to add some more lead strings.